batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior and PBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, Junior and PBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
number 22, Jay Copia. At forward, number 99, Rafael Logra. And down at forward, number 85, Trix Medina. The head coach of Auschwitz is Gio Coquilia. He's the coach, Arthur Quay. And I hear the starters for Team Dragons. Starting at guard number 6, Carl Ala. Down at guard number 0, Ivan Valladares. Playing at center, number 26, John Hondehan. At forward, number 8, Jose Magaluna. And down at forward, number 44, Dexter Delicado. The head coach of the Dragons is Green Espinosa. Officials, Fuji from Mendoza. Number 1, Dennis Calve. Number 2, Irving Calzada. Start of the first quarter.
Game number 9. We made it. The main event of the evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2. We are here live at SM South Mall, Las Piñas City. And this is Game 9 of 9. My name is JB Ruiz, and with me once again for all 9 games is John Mahari. John, we're done with 8. This is the main event. 17 under division. Anong masasabi mo overall sa lahat ng mga games na napanood mo so far?
So far, no, maganda yung mga games na meron tayo ngayon, no.
Oo.
Talagang mga maganda panoorin kasi sobrang mga energetic yung mga bata.
Correct.
Simula sa mga kids hanggang dito sa 17 under natin, talagang yung energy nila, no. Tsaka makikita natin yung iba't ibang player kung paano
Yes.
sila maglaro.
Tama
Simula
naman.
sa mga bata, di ba? No, yun.
And we are here now in the 17 under division. This is the third and final game in the 17 under division. This time it's gonna be the Dragons versus Upskill. The Dragons are those in the dark uniform. Upskill are those in the white. So, John, let's start first with the Dragons, given that they are in the lead 4-0. What can you tell us more about this team?
This team, no, galing sila sa panalo last game.
Okay.
So nakalaban nila yung JP difference parang yun nanalo sila doon sa game na yun, no. Ang mga key players dito si Ivan Valladares,
Okay.
Valladares at si Carl Aala at saka si Isaiah Magaluna.
Yes.
Etong si Valladares siya yung naging best player of the game nung last game nila, no. At tinanong ko na rin si coach, no, bakit Dragon yung pangalan nila. So sabi sa akin ni Coach Lynn Espinosa, dating ball club niya daw to nung bata siya.
At yung ninang team ay Dragons.
Yeah.
Kaya niya.
Kaya ngayon, parang binuhay daw niya yung ball club nila nung bata sila. Tapos ang tumutulong sa kanya dito sa team na to yung mga former teammates din niya.
Wow.
Nung bata siya.
So puro mga teammates yung nagtutulong dito. That's
Oo,
great.
So, magandang story rin, no, para dun sa team nila. So yun, kaya ang goal naman nila dito sa game nila ngayon para daw nakapokus sila sa depensa.
Correct.
Talagang yung depensa yung pinag-aaralan nila kasi naniniwala rin siya na pag dumepensa ka, dun din talaga doon ka rin makakuha ng opensa So yun.
Definitely. Okay, and now let's switch gears here to the white shirts, the Upskill team. What can you tell us more about this 17-year-old squad?
Itong Upskill naman, no, galing sila sa parehas na sa dalawang talo. Magkasunod na talo. So pero kasi ito namang Upskill talagang may program nila yung mga bata parang galing kasi natanong ko na rin kasi bakit Upskill So sabi ni coach sa akin, ni Coach RK, kaya daw upskill kasi parang i-upskill mo yung mga skills na itong bata to elevate their game.
Okay.
So siguro nandun sila sa process na nandun pa sila sa learning process.
Kumbaga yan yung philosophy nila. Kasi ini-instill nila yung team name. Okay.
Yeah, tapos kaya sila siguro nakakuha ng 0-2 dahil dun sa dalawang game nila, marami daw hindi nakapaglaro dahil meron silang mga iba-ibang commitments, no? At ayun nga, sabi sa akin ni coach, yung mga key players niya dito si Matt Colcol.
Okay.
At si Rafael Nogra. At itong number 82, nakalalagay lang nila, si De La Cruz. Yeah.
Okay.
Itong si De La Cruz, no? So yun yung mga abangan natin. Tinanong ko na rin siya kung ano yung goal niya ngayon dito sa game na to. Goal lang daw nila, mas stop yung mga big man nitong team ng Dragon dahil alam naman daw natin na talagang malalaki.
Definitely.
Yung goal nila ngayon sa game na
given that they are the underdogs. Now with that said, this is gonna be, let's go first a quick timeout here. Care of Domo Domo, Slurp, Enjoy, Smile. (14-3) in favor of the Dragons. Quick early start here for the boys in black. Meanwhile, a quick trigger 3. Care of Matt Colcol, one of the key players you mentioned, partner.
Saka ito pala, coach, no? Familiar na sila sa bawat isa, itong dalawang team na to, dahil sa mga ibang liga or ibang mga platform may nagkakalaban na sila.
Wow. So,
talagang, kaya nung tinanong ko to si Coach RK ng Upskill, alam na agad kung ano yung mga dapat gawin dito sa team ni Coach Lynn Espinosa.
Actually, bago pumasok yung mga ibang players ni Team Upskill, nakipag-chat pa si Coach RK at si Coach Lynn na medyo matagal. So parang inisip ko, makakilala na pala mga to. So, hindi ako surprised nung sinabi mo na nakapaglaro na sila, makakilala na sila. I guess, kumbaga, parang chess yung laro kasi makakilala na So, anong klaseng adjustments ang papakita dito?
Alam na nila kung paano depensahan yung bawat isa. Kaya palang sinabi sa akin agad ni Coach Arky nga to stop yung mga bigs nitong Team Dragon. At yun nga, nakikita natin na talagang yung mga bigs nila.
The oohs and ahs of the crowd due to the acrobatic play by Carl Aala.
Grabe yung reverse na yun.
Oo. 20-6 to open up the first quarter here in the main event of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2. And after that acrobatic play, a great defensive swat kay Rafaala.
Medyo aggressive itong Team Dragons, no? Ayun, talagang pinapower ng mga big man nila sa ilalim. Yung bigs nila marunong din mag-dribble
Possession will go to the white shirts. Great double team. Open man, trigger 3. In and out. Great outlet pass. Can he catch up? Aala. Three-pointer, no good.
Itong team ng Dragon, parang halata mo na matagal na rin magkakasama.
Oo.
Basa na nila kung ano yung galaw ng bawat isa
And because of this, we will go now to a quick timeout, this time in favor of the Dragons. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Dinala ko dito one time yung anak at yung asawa ko. Sila rin eh. August yung birthday ng anak ko. So 2 and 2 months pa lang. 2 and 3 months. 26 is the score. Dragons are way up by 14. Upskill, unable to convert on that attempt. Two minutes and 40 remaining. Great steal here. Upskill going all the way. And that was a clean swipe.
Good intention to the basket ang ginawa nun ni Kyle Malorca. Pero yun nga, may nakadepensa sa likod, hindi niya nakita.
No shot attempt over there, going all the way now to the other side. Dragons are running. No call. Great defensive play here on both squads. Both squads are feeding each other. Refs are letting these boys play. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining in the first.
Tuloy-tuloy yung bigayan ng opensa at depensa ng magkabilang team.
Fast-paced action now showing on both sides.
Kung kanina, medyo yung last game, medyo relax yung dalawang team. Ito ngayon, mabilis.
No good. Possession will stay with the Dragons with 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining.
Tama nga din si Coach RK kanina nung upskill, no? Nung sinabi niya na malalaki itong Dragon.
Medyo malaki nga in terms of
lalaki
their
size nila. Talagang ang laki ng difference ng height eh.
And that is clearly so, no? Not only by their height, but their heftiness na rin.
Yes.
Given na mas ay lanky itong upskill in general. And it's going to now be Rafael Nogra on the free throw line for 2. I believe Nogra is one of those players that we should keep an eye out on. I remember he did perform well in their previous timeout.
Tignan natin ngayon kung makakabawi siya.
Able to get 2. And a quick swipe with the fake. Able to get it done. Itong si De La Cruz.
Ganda ng move na yun. Tanang pinakagat niya yung depensa para makakuha siya ng libre.
Great box out here for Nogra. 16 seconds remaining on the game clock. Finding it to De La Cruz, their new player. Unable to convert. Getting the second chance opportunity. And they're right on cue. De La Cruz getting it done. Cutting the deficit to 9. Not able to count on that last shot are the Dragons. And with that, the first quarter comes to a close. 20-19 in favor of the Dragons. We will be right back. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Speaking of magic moment, I'd like to correct myself. It is not 2019 at the end of the first, it's 20-11 in favor of the Dragons, up by 9.
That was a good drive by Matt Kolkol. Nakakuha siya ng foul.
Oh nga, and with that, Kolkol is going to the free throw line. Unable to make the first of 2. However, this is going to be an interesting second quarter for Upskill. Kasi yun nga, sinabi mo, makakilala na yung mga coaches. Kakatapos na ng first quarter. Will they make certain adjustments? And right there off the bat, turnover kaagad para sa Dragons. Oh! And the Dragons immediately asked for timeout after the turnover to start the second quarter. And this timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile.
Seconds.
20-12 in the second quarter. 9 minutes remaining. It has been a very tight ball game so far, given this 8-point lead. Unable to get a contact. Dragons are running. Able to get the contact for 2 free throws. This is going to be Marshall Martiha.
Medyo lumalapit itong team ng Upskill dito sa Dragon. Dahil siguro alam na ni Coach RK
actually
kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin.
After that immediate timeout, no, from the turnover, nag-adjust kaagad yung Dragons for them to be in their favor once again. No good. And once again, a putback. One more.
At ayun nga, lumalabas yung height advantage nitong Dragon dito sa Upskills.
And that is going to be a problem, no? If you are upskilled, you need to make sure you box out against these taller defenders.
Yes, minsan naman kahit mas malaki sa'yo yan, kung na-box out mo ng maayos, talagang kahit pa paano magkakaroon siya ng challenge para makuha yung bola.
Unable to convert on the 3. Put back, no good. Dragons are running. Hesitation. Nope. Kolkol with the recovery, unable to control the basketball. Meanwhile, 2 white shirts able to save it. This is gonna be almost an N1 opportunity care of Upskill, and they will get a chance to go to the free throw line.
Tinatry nitong Upskill na i-outrun itong Dragons.
Oo.
Tinatry nilang atakihin, tinatry nila na bilisan yung game nila.
This is gonna be Medina who will get 2 free throws, unable to make the first. Upskill now down by 11. Unable to make the second. If you are Upskill, you need to make your free throws. Great give and go play. Able to get the 2. Itong si Dexter Pelicano. Dragons continue to run. That is going to be a holding foul.
Parang veterans na maglaro itong Dragons.
Correct.
Inaatake nila yung mga depensa nitong Upskill. Lalo pag nakakita sila ng mismatch.
(25-12) in favor of the Dragons. It's a 13-point lead with 6 minutes and 35 remaining. Unable to convert. What a spin move. Kolkol with the and 1 bucket given to Matt Kolkol.
Ganda ng balance ni Matt Kolkol na yun, no? Galing spin move, kala ko susub-sub na siya, pero nagawa pa niyang tira yung bola na yun.
Actually, akala ko nga hindi tatama, pero the fact that he was able to pull off an end 1 bucket.
Pero good thing na nasushoot nila yung mga ganun.
Exactly.
Kasi kailangan nila yun para makahabol.
Plus the free throw which na-sink in ni Kolkol. So it's now a 10-point lead. Great defense here, double team. Hesitation, 3-point, no good. And it is going to be Upskill basketball.
Medyo sa rebound, dehado itong Upskill, no? Dahil talagang minamuscle nitong Dragon yung rebounding.
5 minutes and 20 remaining. 3-pointer, no good. Dragons about to run. Finding an open man. Down low, great give and go play for Isaiah Magaluna.
You need to watch out for this kid, no? Dahil isa rin siya sa mga umi-score dito sa team ng Dragon.
Correct. Meanwhile, Matt Kolkol making a name for himself.
Good shot yung ginawa niya na yun ni Matt Kolkol dahil merong nakadepensa.
Right.
Talagang angat yung kamay sa harap niya.
Back-to-back trading buckets here for both squads. This time, a long-distance shot coming from the Dragons. Almost a turnover. That was Ivan Baladares who shot that last possession.
Sayang, nakadalawang offensive rebounds. Itong Upskill, kaso hindi nila na-convert.
possession will stay with the Dragons. 30-18 with 3 minutes and 47 remaining in the half. This is going to be Ivan Baladares unable to make that three. This is De La Cruz going all the way coast to coast. No good. Meanwhile, Medina getting the contact. So this dynamic duo, these new players, about De La Cruz and Medina, getting it done for upskill.
Grabe yung effort na pinakita niya doon, no? Hindi siya bumitaw doon sa depensa at nakakuha siya ng foul.
Medina is not initially part of the original lineup. So I believe he and De La Cruz have something to prove here, making the second free throw. I want to remind everyone who's watching, no, this is a 17 under division, and yet lahat sila may muscles.
Yes, ang kondisyon. At ginamit na ulit itong si Hordehan.
And another three-point bucket, this time once again from Ivan Baladares. Second three-pointer na niya. Matt Colcol unable to make that one. It is going to be it's going to be Upskills basketball.
Pero good shot yun, ha?
Oo.
Open, eh.
Once again, no good. Okay, open. Matt Colcol. And with the putback, the second chance opportunity doon si De La Cruz.
Ganda ng pull-up.
Oo.
Nakakatira rin itong upskill ng mga libre, no?
Yes.
Kailangan lang talaga ma-convert nila.
Correct. (33-21).
Kailangan lang din nila ma-stop itong opensa nitong Dragons.
Yes.
Kailangan mabigyan nila ng magandang depensa. At ito, naka 1-2-2 itong Dragons. Good shot by J. Topia.
33-23 in favor of the Dragons. Great box out, outlet pass, Nogra. Colcol unable to get the basketball due to the quickness of Aala. Great drop pass, able to find an easy two. Itong Dragon si Kobe Psycho.
Alam niya na agad kung nasan yung teammate niya.
And that is due to the playmaking skills of Ivan Baladares.
Oh.
Meanwhile, that is another two for J. Topia.
Gandang pasa galing kay De La Cruz.
De La Cruz once again going all the way.
Kala ko kanina big man siya.
Speaking of big man, almost able to make it, Medina. Medina. Almost with the basket. Oh, a loose ball foul. Unable to convert on that last possession. Penalty situation now. Unable to make the first free throw. Itong si John Hordehan. 44.1 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Off the bank. It is now a 9-point lead.
Parang itong si John Horde, no? Parang siya yung pinakamalaki
Actually.
dito sa game na to, no? Talaga. Ang laki.
Yes.
Siguro mga nasa 6'5 yan, 6'6.
Probably for a 17-year-old.
Ang laking bata.
Oh, great cut pass.
Oh.
Getting the foul. Itong si J Topia unable to get the end one bucket. He'll shoot for 2.
Ganda nung fake shot na ginawa niya doon. Talagang tumalon yung kalaban niya.
Able to make the first of 2. Unable to make the second. Dragons are running. 20 seconds remaining on the game clock. Unable to protect that basketball. Medina, 8 seconds to shoot. Unable to control it. One second remaining, no good. And that's going to end the first half with the Dragons up 36-28 against Upscale. We will be back after the halftime break. Last one. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. We are here for the last half of the day, the second half of game number 9. We are here at Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2 here at SM South Mall, Las Piñas. Jay Ruiz here calling the action along with John Mahari. And we bring to you this 17 under division between Dragons and Upscale, with the Dragons leading 36-28. John, what can you tell us about the first half?
Yung first half natin na medyo control talaga ng team ng Dragon over dito sa Upskill. Dahil dito pa lang sa field goals percentage, malaki na yung diferensya. 43.8 against 28.6 nitong Upskill. No? At saka talagang tama nga yung sinabi ng coach nitong Upskill na big man talaga ang strength nitong Dragon. Dahil sa 2 points percentage, 55 sila.
Correct.
55 sila, 29 lang itong Upskill, no?
Definitely.
Tsaka dito rin sa rebounds talaga, dito talaga lumayo na 27 against 19.
Definitely, no? So mas na out-hustle ng Dragons ang Upskill, getting more second chance opportunities. Although it's not too big, but regardless, they are getting more they are boxing out properly.
Yes, at saka itong pass break points. Pass break points from turnover, no?
Oo. 8-4 for Upskill actually.
Upskill pala, Upskill.
But regardless though, kahit that is the reason why medyo close yung ball game na yun. Kahit down by 6 lang yung Upskill. Kasi binabawi sa fast break.
Yeah, tama ka dyan. Ito, 6 na lang yung kalamangan nila.
I think the biggest difference here, one thing that I saw kagad, is dahil puro malalaki na sa Dragon, ang points in the paint, 20-10. Sobrang taas talaga ng percentage ng Dragons down in the paint. So, that's one reason why ahead sila right now by 4. Despite that recent bucket there, care of Upskill, it is a close ball game regardless. And this is how the second half of the main event is going to start. 36-32 with 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining.
Tingnan natin kung anong adjustment ang ginawa ni coach dito sa Upskill, no?
Unable to control the basketball. De La Cruz to Medina. This two-man game is doing wonders. And once again, John Mahari ready to shoot.
Mga ilang rebounds na ako. Pwede ba sa stats yun?
Pwede lang, partner. Pwede lang.
At ito talagang Dragon, no? Pag nilabas nila yung dalawang big nila, meron ulit papalit na big ulit, no?
Kala mo, boost na eh.
Kaya talagang hirap sa paint itong Upskill.
I guess what impresses us the most is the fact na lahat sila 17 under.
Yes. Sa height lang nagkakaroon ng diferensya.
That is an unfortunate move there by Matt Colcol. Buti lang hindi siya injured.
Yes, pero good drive yun by Matt Colcol. Kung hindi siya nadulas doon, easy 2 points na dahil ahead na siya.
Yes. I guess he was hesitant because of the defenders going at him. Meanwhile, it's going to be a timeout on the floor. And we will get back to you shortly. 6:19. 6:19 remaining in the third quarter. 36-32. The Dragons trying to get the lead here. Unable to hold the basketball.
Sayang yung labas na yun.
Oo. De La Cruz finding a teammate. Tagle. De La Cruz. Unable to find his teammate. But possession will go back to Upscale. And actually, John, if you are Upscale with 5 minutes 40 remaining, you're in a good spot. Na down by 2 possessions lang.
Kaya medyo mapapansin mo itong Upskill. Talagang nagra-run sila ng play ng dahan-dahan.
At hindi pa sila nagpapanik. And speaking of which,
nice move.
that is an excellent move by Cholo De La Cruz. Able to bring it down inside for the 2.
Nakita niya yung butas ng depensa na binigay ng Dragon. At talagang tinake advantage niya para makadrive.
Correct. This two-man game between Cholo De La Cruz and Drix Medina is doing wonders for Upscale. You would think talaga just by looking at them, no? Akala mo kagad the Dragons are the favorites due to their height and might. Kaso, for some reason, sobrang close yung ball game.
Siguro dahil naging aggressive na itong Upskill, no? At meron silang niraran na play.
Almost and able to lose the basketball. Ivan Baladares able to get the contact.
Good challenge yun coming from the Upskills.
Oo.
Dahil hindi nila inaalaw na makascore itong Dragons ng ganun-ganun na lang. At isa yun sa pwedeng mag-pass low nitong game ng Dragons, no?
That is Ivan Baladares able to score first of 2 free throws. Ivan Baladares unable to make the second. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the third. 37-34 in favor of the Dragons. Tagle for 3, no good. Ivan Baladares was looking for the drop pass even though it was wide open for him to take the shot.
Nailang siya dun sa depensa na paparating. Nakita niya patalon pero pinake lang pala siya.
Cholo De La Cruz now. Tough jumper. De La Cruz able to find a teammate. Medina. This is a 3-point bomb. Nothing but net.
Ooh.
From Red Bonnevie. And just like that, nag-scratch ng head si coach ng Upskill dahil sa nangyari.
I think it was a taunting, no?
It looked like it, but it was directly at him. So referees caught that immediately.
Sana
Kung ako yan, pwede naman i-ganon dito sa likod niya.
O kaya eyes on my vein.
Oo.
Talagang shooter talaga. Meron akong teammate na ganyan talaga. Lagi niyang ginagawa pag nakashoot.
Hindi naman naka-call ng technical, di ba? Kasi,
dito
sa kanya lang eh.
Tsaka si Lorenzo Navarro.
Ay, isa pa yun. Shoutout natin kay Lorenzo Navarro.
Eyes on my vein.
Yes.
Grabe yun pag nakashoot.
Siya yung isa sa mga pinaka-paborito kong
Shooter din talaga yun.
hindi, sasabihin ko sana panel.
Pero shooter talaga
rin, no?
Idol ko talaga yun.
Despite though, it is a tied ball game, 37 all. Unable to score itong si Medina. 37 all. 2 minutes and 55 remaining. Ivan Baladares.
Medyo maganda itong naging adjustment, itong upskill
Actually,
dito sa quarter na to. No?
Oo. In and out. Put back. And you could see the lankiness of this upskill team. Kahit ang pet nila, hindi sila
Talagang
nag-give up.
nakikipagpanggaan din sila. No? Talagang kaya siguro nakadikit sila dito sa game na to.
And look at this. Great box out by one of the smallest guys in the team, si Tagle. This is De La Cruz. Cholo De La Cruz able to go in and out, unable to convert. Can they get a stop here? No good. But the bully ball move is given to the Dragons, this time in favor of Isaiah Magaluna.
Medyo mismatch yun doon sa ilalim.
Medina, Cholo, going at it, Tagle for 3. No good. And if you're upskill, you need to get some stops right now
Yes, kasi
to avoid the extend.
baka makakuha na naman ng momentum itong Dragons, no? Dahil sunod-sunod na yung points na nako-convert nila.
Great defense and rebound here by Red Bonnevie. No good on the 3. Tagle and Medina unable to get the rebound. Spin move. Ivan Balandares dropping it once again to Isaiah Magaluna. Score is 41-37 in favor of the Dragons. We will be right back. And this timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. Marami kang na-miss. Marami kang na-miss na timeout. (41-37), 1 minute and 23 in the third quarter. It has been a close ball game. Great second chance opportunity by Upscale. Can they convert on this possession? De La Cruz, another three-point bomb, and that scored for Miguel Palmos, cutting the deficit to 1. Nakangiti pa siya doon, partner.
Ganun sana, i-smilean mo lang.
O, di ba?
Kasi sayang din yung free throw na mapupunta.
This is going to be a disadvantage. No good. Cholo De La Cruz with the rebound, trying to find an open teammate. 23 seconds on the game clock, 15 to shoot. What is Cholo gonna do? Cholo De La Cruz directing the way. 5 to shoot. Bonnevie for 3. No good. 4 seconds to shoot. 3. Aala for 3. Unable to get it done, and at the end of 3 quarters, it is only a 1-point lead with the Dragons. The Dragons up by 1, 41-40 at the end of 3 in the 1700 division. We will be right back. This is it. Pansit, the fourth and final quarter. Matt Colcol for 3, no good. Welcome back to Manny Pacquiao's Junior PBL Pocket League Season 2. This is the 17-iron division live at SM South Mall, Las Piñas. The main event, 17 under, Dragons versus Upskill. 1 point lead, 10 minutes to decide who will win this ball game. JP Ruiz with John Mahari, and we will call the action down the line. Ooh. What a move by Cholo De La Cruz, giving Upskill the lead.
Grabe yung layup na ni Cholo De La Cruz, no? May bantay sa harap, pero yung sinubo niya sa ring.
The pressure is now on the Dragons.
Medyo nakakakuha ng momentum itong Upskill. Pero dikit pa rin itong laban, no?
Look at Cholo De La Cruz, partner. Sobrang calm, regardless of what's happening. 3-point, no good. Matt Colcol able to find another teammate. Medina, no good. Another box out. Down low. Matt Colcol. Mid-range J, no good. And possession is going to the Dragons.
Credit dun sa depensa na ginawa ng Dragons. No? Hindi nila inayaan na makascore sa paint. Itong Upskill, talagang sa labas nila pinatira.
8 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in this ball game.
Ooh.
What a tough shot. Care of Marshall Martija, giving the Dragons the lead. Back and forth action on who will get the lead. Nogra, Medina, De La Cruz. Oh, that's a moving pick, care of Topia. And frustrations are slowly building, partner, dito sa Upskill.
Siyempre kasi medyo dikit. Hindi medyo, dikit talaga yung laban. 1 point lang ang diferensya ng magkabilang team. No? At dito natin makikita kung sino yung mas prepared dito sa game na to.
I think in that last play, nagigil yata si Topia eh. Kaya nakagalaw siya. Tough shot. Able to get it. Who gets the loose ball? Mad scramble. All the way, Nogra. Easy 2. Upskill is up by 1. Back and forth change of leads in the past few possessions. Huli ka, Topia with the block.
Pag mga gantong situation, kailangan less yung mistakes mo eh. Kasi pag nagkamali ka at nag-turnover ka at na-convert nila, na-convert ng kabilang team, eh, malaking bagay yun.
Definitely, partner. 44-43. Huli! Matt Colcol with the steal. 2-on-1. Nogra going all the way! 3-point lead para sa Upskill.
Ganda ng depensa nila dun. Nag-1-2-2 sila.
Oo. Aala. Unlucky bounce. And with the hustle play of Topia, mapupunta yung bola sa Upskill.
Medyo dinidiinan itong Upskill. Yung depensa nila, naka 1-2-2 sila. Di sila nag-aalaw ng mga inside points.
And look at this lineup now, partner. Medina, Nogra, De La Cruz, Colcol, and Topia. Ito yung best 5 yata nila sa floor. Able to get it down. Si Nogra for 3. They are up by 6.
Pero itong si De La Cruz talaga nagtitimon dito sa team ng Upskill, no?
Ivan Baladares got blocked there. Partially blocked. An and one bucket. Not giving up on that play is the Dragons' Edward Campos.
Good play yun, no? Talagang siniksik niya yung sarili niya sa loob para makuha itong 2 points plus ito, free throw.
49-45 with 5 minutes and 51 remaining. Campos making that extra free throw. It is a 1-possession ball game.
Gumaganda na itong laro natin. Knowing na last game to.
Medina steal. Great presence of mind. Getting the easy layup itong si Marshall Martiha. Down by 1 na lang yung Dragons.
Ganun kadali. 1 point na lang ulit, no?
Orange action ang pinapakita dito sa upscale. Open man. What the fake. No good for Topia. Ivan Baladares. Aala.
May chance itong Dragons para makuha itong kalamangan.
Marshall Martiha. No good. Aala. Mad scramble. And the easy two. There of Isaiah Magaluna. Kanina pa siya sa paint partner.
Talaga, siya yung inaabangan dun sa ilalim. At ayun niya, nakuha na niya yung inaantay niya na puntos.
Risky pass para kay De La Cruz. Oh! Live play. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 points. Medina. No good, but the foul kay Aala.
Good rebound by Medina. Parang bumagsak lang sa kanya. At good thing naisip niya na i-put back to agad dahil medyo malayo yung depensa sa kanya.
Na-feel niya na may contact na gaganap.
Saka may advantage siya sa size.
Correct. Able to get the first of 2 free throws. 50 all with 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in this ball game. Two for two. Ang swabe ng tira ni Medina.
Alam mong pasok eh.
Oo.
Kumbaga, kunin mo sa net.
Correct. Aala. Unlucky bounce. Medina with the rebound. De La Cruz. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining.
Talagang kay De La Cruz nila binibigay yung bola.
Oh.
Siya yung nagkikreate.
Call. Passing it to De La Cruz. Double team. 4 to shoot. Inside. What a fake. Topia unable to score. Nandun ni.
Sayang. Pero good intention naman yung fake niya doon. Dahil dalawa yung sumabay sa kanya.
Tama. Great defense here by Upskill. Getting another possession. De La Cruz. Medina. Mid-range J. No good. Oh, and here comes Isaiah Magaluna. Ivan Baladares. Huli. No good. Nogra. 2-on-1. With the hard foul.
Grabe yung preparation niya bago tumalon. Talagang kala ko dadrapas mo pero wala.
No, that was a brave move on Nogra, able to get the contact.
Banggaan sa ere.
And with that, it's going to be a timeout on the floor. We will be right back. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. $51-50 in favor of Upskill. 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in the fourth. This is a 17 under division of the Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 2. The Dragons, as you mentioned, 1-0, I believe. Upskill are 0-2, looking for their first win with newcomers De La Cruz and Medina in their helm.
Yes, kumukuha sila dito ngayon ng momentum para magkaroon ng isang win.
Outlet pass here. Care of Topia going all the way.
Galing sa defense yun, ha? Yung play na yun.
Great presence of mind by J-Topia to get the easy 2. Up by 4 itong upskill. Ivan. Aala. And that is a loose ball foul. Possession will go back to upskill. De La Cruz. Solo De La Cruz. Looking at his defender, trying to evade all the black shirts. Nogra. 10 to shoot. No good.
Kinaliwa.
Oh. And that is a clean swat from Topia. De La Cruz.
Nice.
De La Cruz being the playmaker right now. Ball handler, everything will go through him first. Great screen here by Medina. And Topia, Medina, no call. Ooh, and that was a risky foul. Nicole Cole. Wala pa sa penalty.
Pero kailangan nila mag-ingat sa mga ganong foul dahil useless yun.
Kailangan ni Cole yun.
Oo, sayang. Swerte, wala pa sa penalty.
Ivan Baladares. Almost losing the basketball. Aala. Unable to score. Second chance opportunity. Ivan Baladares for 3. That's good! 54-53. The Dragons launching from downtown.
Gandang tira nun.
And it is a 1-point lead for Upskill. This timeout is brought to you by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy, smile. (54-53) in favor of Upskill. 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining. Who will get the victory today? Cole asking for the pick from Medina. Cole. 4 seconds to shoot. Medina going all the way.
Good pass.
What a great shot. Get of Drix Medina.
Ang ganda ng pasa. Nakita niyo yung cut doon ni Medina, no? Libreng-libre.
3-point bucket. No good for the Dragons. Less than a minute remaining. 3-point lead para sa Upskill. And that's an 8-second violation.
Di nila nakita yun. Di nila.
That is very unfortunate if you are Upskill kasi nasa yun na yung momentum eh.
Yes. At kung ako naman dito sa Upskill, iwasan ko yung mga unnecessary na mga foul dahil baka ma-penalty na sila.
Ivan Baladares. Aala. 3-point bomb. No good. And that is a foul. Care of Aala. Na hindi rin na unnecessary ang foul na yun kasi 35 seconds pa nasa game clock.
Babalik pa yung bola sa kanila.
It's a one possession game. Buti lang wala pa sila sa penalty. Wala pa sa penalty. What will Upskill do? They're looking for their playmaker, De La Cruz. Solo De La Cruz. Dancing, prancing, able to find Medina. Medina with another clutch bucket.
Medina again, no?
Ivan Baladares. No good for 3. And that is going to be a foul. With Matt Cole going to the free throw line. And it will look like that they will be tasting very closely to their first win of this campaign.
Yes, yun. Mukhang makakuha sila ng unang panalo dito.
Oo. Matt Cole missing the first free throw though. Hindi pa tapos. Mabilis mag 3 points dito, and let's see if they will bounce back. It's now a 6-point lead. Ivan Baladares. Aala. Ivan Baladares unable to score, and with this, it is the end of the ball game. 59-53 in favor of Upskill. Able to get their first win of the ball game. Again, no, this is gonna be the final score of the final game today. Upskill 59, Dragons 53 in the 17 under division.
Medyo close game yung nangyaring game doon. No? Hindi natin nakalain na ganito yung magiging ending. Dahil din siguro sa effort nitong Upskill. Dahil nung unang 2 quarters yung Dragons ang nagde-dictate nitong laro.
Correct. And later on, very shortly, we will know who our Chef's Magic player of the game is for this final game.
At ito na ang ating final score dito sa ating last game for today dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket Tournament Season 2. Dragons against Upskill. Nanalo dito ang Upskill by 6 points, no? Dahil sa ginawa nilang double effort, dahil give credit muna tayo dito sa Dragons dahil sa magandang game na binigay nila, dahil yung unang first quarter sila yung nag-dictate nung game, no? Pero nakabawi itong Upskill, no? At ito yung mga naging magandang nangyari sa Upskill dahil humabol sila nung second half, nag-adjust sila dun sa ginagawa sa kanila nung team ng Dragons, no? Maganda yung naging ball movement nila, yung team effort, at itong si De La Cruz, ito yung naging key player nila para dito sa game na to, no? Pero total naman team effort naman itong ginawa nila, no? At kudos din kay Coach RK para dito sa team ng Upskill, no? Para makahabol sila dito sa game na to, no? At ito na si JB para sa ating best player of the game.
Nandito tayo na yun with our Chef's Magic best player of the game, Cholo De La Cruz, with 12 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists, and 7 steals. Cholo, ano yung advice na bigay sa'yo ni Coach para makuha yung first win nyo in this campaign?
Ano po, lumaban lang po, tsaka di po ma-pressure. Teamwork lang rin po, tsaka communication po. Ayan.
Okay, now given na ikaw yung Chef's Magic player of the game, now is your opportunity mag-shoutout.
Shoutout sa pamilya namin! Ayun po, sa pamilya po namin, Coach. At saka po sa kay Coach po na tinulungan po kami hanggang dulo. At saka yung equip po, shoutout po sa inyo. At saka Upskill po.
And with that, this ends today's action of Manny Pacquiao's Junior PBL Pocket League Season 2. Okay.